Our nation is going through trying times. We are in a state of flux. There is, uh, it's a work in progress. And in all this, a strong civil society is very important. Upholding citizens' rights is something that all of us have a role to play. So I take this opportunity to urge your committee not just to stand for an association of bonhomie and get-togethers, but keep what I said, as one of the lights that lead this association forward. It's not just the past pupils, but as you said, we need to show the way to the students that are, I understand there's a batch now leaving this school. We need to show the way to generations to come. To the batch that's due to leave school, follow your professions, yes, but follow your passions too. I think all of us still do. Ratraj and Srinivas and I are very passionate about football. We still follow that, chase that passion. So follow your professions, but please follow your passions as well. Keep a balance in your lives.
That true education must combine knowledge with character. At Sharda Mandir, we have always believed that education is not only about preparing students for a career, but preparing them for life with integrity, compassion, confidence, and a sense of responsibility towards society. These enduring values continue to define the spirit of our school. And seeing you all today, I firmly believe that this is our ethos, this is our culture, and will always continue.
Sharda Mandir is just not a school for us. It's a lifelong bond, a shared identity, and a family that continues across generations. Especially for me, my daughter is present today, so this is the second generation of my family which continues to get good education from Sharda Mandir. Like so many others, I carry with me cherished memories of the classrooms, these corridors, and these grounds. Here we learned much more than lessons from books. We learned discipline, resilience, friendship, and above all, a courage to dream. The values planted here became the foundation on which many of us build our lives, our careers, and our families. We are of course here to reconnect with old friends, but to create also a meaningful impact. We must build bridges, as the chairman has said, between the past, present, and the future. We also must create opportunities for alumni to engage, mentor, and inspire our current students who are the able citizens of tomorrow.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.